You see how we're doing it different? You see how we're doing it different, people? Caribbean people.
Yo, DJ Nick, the girl them a wait on your gate. Say them nah leave, them a tell her that's straight. Say them can't wait for you to the next day. DJ Nick, well I'm not a drop top, girl a drop frog. Me from a head top.
Morning guys, I just got up. I think today's gonna be another vlog day. It's, what is it? It's Saturday. I think it's like the 9th of August, something like that. But it's Saturday. Today, what time is it now? It's like 8:05. It's very early and I'm up. My alarm woke me up like 2 hours ago because I've got some errands to do. So basically, I'm going on the road now to do a few errands. I just need to go sort my life out. I've got a sugaring appointment in Waterloo, so I'm gonna take you guys there with me. After getting sugared, I'm gonna go home, pack my stuff, just get myself ready a bit, like probably do my hair, I don't know. I think I'm gonna wet it and try to mold it. But I didn't sleep with my tide last night, so the shape is gone basically. But do my hair, I'm gonna need to do my hair. Then after I finish my hair, I'm just gonna take my time, get ready, because today we're going to a hotel. And I can't wait because I haven't been to a hotel in a while, obviously because of Corona. But yeah, we're going to a hotel and I'm really excited about that. Guys, you know when you're leaving a boy's house and you're just doing the walk of shame the next morning? That's how I feel the morning after. Like, that's literally how I feel now. But I'm at the train station now, about to get on the train to go get my appointment and errands sorted. And then it's the hotel, motel, holiday inn. Lips on my dry. So guys, basically, the hotel rang us and they rang me. And they were just like, because of the deal that we got for it, we're allowed to check in earlier, so we can check in from 12 o'clock. And now it's like 11:20. And I've had my sugaring appointment. I'm rushing home now to see if I can get ready and then leave out to try get there for 12. I don't know, that sounds like Mission Impossible. Guys, so I just finished getting ready. I know I said I wanted to leave out at like, what time did I say? Like 11:30 to get to the hotel for 12. But it's like 3 o'clock now and I'm just over it because I'm just so tired. Like, I just couldn't get ready quickly. So I just took my time and got ready. I just strolled. So yeah guys, I just finished. This is the complete look. I've got this little top from Zara. This is the old shorts that I got from Primark, and then I'm just wearing some heels. I think I got these from Pretty Little Thing like ages ago. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm just waiting on the Uber now and then we'll be on our way. So I'm on my way now. I don't think they just left out as yet, but I'm just gonna go and just vibe by myself. They sent this massive Uber. I don't need that many seats, but we're gonna enjoy. I hope you guys are well. I hope you guys are okay, not too worked out, not too tired. For all the Jamaicans there that was watching my stuff, happy Independence Day, happy belated Independence Day, guys. Yeah, I hope you guys had a good weekend. I know I will. Yeah, that's it. Guys, you know what I hate about individuals? When they start dropping out, you look crazy. Because why do I only have 3 lashes on this eye? Please explain. And I've got like 1 on this one. This is disgusting. I can't wait to get to this hotel. I think DJ's gonna be bringing us some curry chicken and rice from what we had left over because that was banging. We may go out for a meal or for a drink this evening, but we don't have anything booked, so it may just be a pull up and vibe kind of thing. Do you get what I mean? Like, let's just see what the vibe is saying. Like, guys, I don't think you guys are, like, I'm so spontaneous. I'm also so planned, but I'm also so spontaneous because we literally just saw this deal and we were like, oh, we deserve it. Like, we hit the target, let's just book it, let's just go. And now here's the day. Now today's the day. We ain't got no plans, we ain't got no time that we want to do anything. We're just like, okay, let's just show up at the hotel and then let's just build our vibes in it. Been drinking, chilling up by myself, but Dee just said that she's like 2 minutes away, so I'm just at the front of the hotel now trying to give her directions so she can come in and just Dee, oh my god guys, my friend is here and I think she got me something. Yes you did, because why do you have to? This is cute. Thanks, I'm cute. I'm getting sex to my thing. What is this?
The smaller one is yours.
Duh, bitch, I touched it. I already know. The fuck?
You're annoying. Not even let me hold both of them.
Thank you. I do not care about you.
Do you even drink Starbucks? You don't, innit? Huh?
It's summer, baby. Look what she brought. Basically, she's 4 hours late, so this is what she did to make it up to me.
Wait, no, that's fine. People smiley face.
People, it's cute. No. But the heart's cute, sis. Girl, bye. Bitch, I don't like you. Eh? Yeah.
Bathroom was nice.
Bathroom nice.
Bathroom nice.
She's still a good man. She
Yeah,
clean.
sleek and them things there. Bathroom nice. Yeah, me like her.
But I'm tell him, say, remember get one tub. Because them so what did I get? The first one, what did I get? What did I get? The shower alone. I said, no, I'm going to get one tub.
A whole nother room.
Hon, this is not what they have on the website, though.
This is a whole surprise to me then.
You like it? That's all for. Let me not send you any pictures because I want you to have the same reaction.
I'm trying to teeth towel.
Bitch, you cannot teeth. This is why you do not take her out the hood. That's why you don't take them out the hood.
So now that I don't know, I told you.
No, I don't think you can steal the rub, so that's mine.
Oh, that's crazy. I'm taking one.
You like her though. You see what I'm saying about the window? She can't open.
I don't want to see people.
But I don't even want to see us because we can just pull this.
She's so cute. Tomorrow fast.
But I can't wait until tomorrow morning. Because it's going to be mad bright. Because look, you know the roofing's thingy open. There's no thingy over it. There's no tint.
Oh, okay. You can see the
And
sky.
tomorrow's meant to be hot. So in the morning, she's going to be a good wake up. The sun going to be... Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Yeah, we'll have enough options.
Oh, that's nice.
I brought you some, don't eat it. I brought you some stuff. I brought you some...
You bring Coke?
Prawn crackers. Yeah, I even unpacked. No, not that. That's everything in here is from them. But I want to put the I should have put the wine in there.
Is there?
No, it's pissing me off though.
I don't care. I can eat it.
But we can. I can't eat it because I'll vomit. But we can go to the kitchen.
There's a kitchen.
Yeah. Come on, don't eat this. Cause I know you won't like it. I know. And I got some sweets.
Okay, let's get ready to go to the pool.
Black and beautiful, so me now play. Thanks. You feel like me with them. My bank account fatter than my friends. Stunting. Hey guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Guys, I'm just checking back in. I just changed. I've got on my swimsuit now. And we're gonna go to the pool. We're gonna try do a little nighttime pool vibes. We've got some alcohol. So we're gonna take some shots. This is so loud. DJ, turn it down. DJ. Thanks. Yeah, so we've got some we got alcohol, so we're gonna be doing some shots. And yeah, we're just gonna vibes. I'm gonna try to vlog some of it for you guys, but how cute is it? DJ, come, let me show them that we're matching. Guys, we're matching. We got on the same swimsuit. But yeah, guys, we've got the same swimsuit. We matching. Not the same, but similar, but she cute. I'm gonna try to get some bum ass pictures, but I don't know if she gonna work because the lighting's not out. And she for a nigga. Black and Mary. Rest in peace. Billie Jean. Christian Dior.
You see how we're doing it different? You see how we're doing it different, people? Caribbean people are doing it different. And everybody must have so look back on it. Look back, I will say look back on it. Look back, I will say look back on it. Bossa wanna start look back on it. Bossa wanna start look back on it. Yeah, sit down now, we say sit down.
Thank you.
Just take the bottle, you cannot go with us.
Oh shit. Oh, we can't get a cup to pour it in. We can't get a cup to pour it in to drink. Okay, that's fine. Can we leave it there? We just want to get a swim.
Yes, when you finish, I can leave.
That's fine. And slippers, that's fine. It's fine. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, this way. On the right.
Oh, thank you.
There's only 2 people there.
This is nice. I'm coming down here tomorrow morning. I'm coming down tomorrow so I can just enjoy. Even if we were, I don't know. But we can ask her. Guys, so we're heading to the pool now. Oh, it's cold down here. DJ, remember to ask reception. DJ, they got a gym. Where is the pool? Where's that spa and reception? This is so hard to find out.
No, this is ridiculous. Why are we not so scared? No. It's not so free. It's only at 7.
We wanted to go dinner, but by the time we was finished with the pool and by the time we was finished with the swimming pool and stuff, the restaurants were gonna be closing in an hour or 2, so we were like, it's not worth it. Did you order a milkshake? We got 5 guys. Yeah. Guys, we went and got some water and 5 guys because the restaurants are closed and it's 30 minutes to 12 and we is lazy, so we're just gonna have a little takings down.
Fresh greens.
DJ, there's one wife in the thing. One digga wife.
Mr. Universe. Mr. Universe.
Yeah. You already know what it is, man. Urban Legend 3040. BOJ.
Come, Lisa.
This sound like something you get some money to.
This sound like something you put some money to. Let me do my hair. I just want a hairbrush and we can go. I'm ready. Queenie, not did it. We just had a morning swim. I just got some water for us as well. And we're gonna go back to the room. I don't know if we're gonna go out for breakfast because I'm not mad hungry. But I could also go for breakfast, so I don't know what's gonna happen. But I'll keep you guys posted. I'm enjoying myself though, I can't lie. Like last night was so good. Hi guys, I'm just packing up now to go. We went to the swimming pool, but obviously we can't record, so we didn't get a chance to catch anything. But I'm still so hungry. The bar is not open until like 3 o'clock, so we kind of just stuck with what we were drinking yesterday and just went into the mini fridge. I'm probably just gonna grab some food before I go home, but we're almost at the end of the vlog, guys. Let me show you guys my dress. I got this dress from Zara. It's so cute. It's like denim, and then it's got this detail at the back, and I love the fact that you can alter the strap. So if you're someone that's tall or someone that's got bigger breasts, then this is perfect for you. You can just make it smaller if you got smaller tits, or you can just leave it loose. I feel like last night made me so tired, like I feel drunk, but I know I'm not drunk, if that makes sense. But it was a really good hotel. I would recommend it, and we actually got a good deal, So the price is definitely worth it. You definitely good value for money. You definitely get good value for money. And also you're allowed to use the facilities before you check in and after you check in, so that's good to know. But at least now, we didn't really use them, but at least now we know for next time. I love the location of the hotel as well. It's very central to all of like some nice rooftop bars in London. You've got good transport system. You've got good transport nearby. It's a bit hard to find, like when you come off the train. But other than that, absolutely love it, man. Right up my alley she is. Favorite things about the hotel is that you can use all of the facilities and the amenities before you actually check in. So normal check-in is normally 2 o'clock, but if you have like the superior rooms or premium or above, then you get to check in from 12 o'clock. And for everyone that stays at the hotel, you actually get to use the stuff from the minute they're open until your actual check-in time. So if you've got the normal rooms and you're checking in at 2 o'clock, then you can come and swim, chill, do sauna room, do all of that, use the changing room, change your clothes, and then when you get your room, then you just actually unpack. So I love the fact that they just allow you to just use the space whilst it's there. But that's it. Thank you. Guys, I'm at the end of the vlog now. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. It's a beautiful day in London.